Hey, what's going on, everyone? This is James with Grindstone Design. I'm here, and I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to install Hotjar on your website so you guys can track recording sessions on your website, and it'll also give you access to a heat map. So once you log in and sign in with your Google account, it'll take you into this screen. The website we're setting it up on currently is installed on WordPress. We're installing it on our site. So we're going to go ahead and start setup. So it's going to say connect with WordPress. I'm going to use another platform. I would recommend installing it with Tag Manager. Go ahead, create the account for free. You don't even have to set up any of the other tags or conversion tracking. So right now, we have no tags in the account. So we'll go ahead and select Tag Manager and give it all the approvals that it needs. All right, we're going to go ahead and select the account, select the container, create and publish tag. Give it a few seconds. And what's really cool about this is once you start running ads, or even if you start picking up a little bit of traffic, as you start looking at the recordings, you can start analyzing and kind of figuring out what people are doing on your site and where drop-offs are happening. Once we get some data in here, we'll go ahead and load it back up and get y'all another video going, and we'll kind of show how you can use that data to improve your website. So I'm going to go ahead and pause the recording, and we'll come right back when this is all done. All right, everybody, welcome back. So that finished loading. It took probably around 2 or 3 minutes. So now we're going to click Verify Installation, click Verify. So this warning right here, don't worry about it. You just connected it, so it's not expected to have any data reported. So we'll be back once this finishes. All right, everybody. Well, we are back, and after about 1 minute, it validated itself. So here we are on the dashboard. Once we get some users on our site, we will report back and give you guys an update. Thank you all for watching. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Cheers. Have a good day.